Manas, thank you, brother. Thank you for everything. For a wonderful year that I spent with you, learned a lot. I thought this was a great experience to understand what a gentleman is, uh, a gentleman manager. I thought I had a lot of patience in my life, but looking at you, I thought you are the epitome of it. Thank you for leading the way for a year ahead. Uh, I think you are one of those managers who I can actually say that have been an ideal in life. Um, it's just the way you put across yourself uh, and not being aggressive but being assertive, and that is what the world is going towards. It's about assertive managers, and I think you're one of them. Uh, I've learned a lot, and thank you very much once again. Wish you all the best. Please stay in touch. And of course, the industry is small. We'll work together somewhere, sometime. Thank you.
Hi Manasa.
Hi, Manasa.
Very good evening. Wish you all the best for your future. And thank you for all of your support which you have extended to all of us, irrespective of any situation. And thanks a lot. What you have taught to us. Thank you so much.
Hi, Manasa. It's been really great working under you and knowing you. And all the best for your future. We'll miss you a lot here. And you have been a great support for us.
And definitely we'll see you sometime.
Best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Hi Manas, it has been already 2 years and you are already leaving. You are my second partner in leading our guest voice. You have been a great friend, you have been a great leader, and you have been a great gentleman. Once you go, I'm going to miss all the naughty chit chat which we used to have in the lobby. The main thing I'm going to miss is whenever someone makes a mistake during our morning meeting, I used to look at you and we used to start laughing. बस.
चलो.
Hi, मेरे लाल. It's very difficult to describe you in words because after working with you for 22 months, I can't describe you in words. And surely I'm happy that you are moving out in a good property, in a good position. And surely I'll miss you each and every day. Starting, I still remember the days when I used to start my shift, sitting in your office, chatting in your office, long chats, discussion about the hotel, about the world, about the country, and so many stuff which you used to do. Your favorite dance step I still remember, which you did in front of me, and I'm gonna miss you because you are a part of my daily work schedule. Spending a few minutes and few hours in your office was in my schedule, in my daily schedule. So it will be very difficult for me. I will always miss your presence whenever I'll walk into back office, whenever I'll walk to front office, desk, and each and every area. I'll miss you on breakfast table. I'll miss you when during the brunch at 3 o'clock, something like that. As a person, you are amazing. As a leader, you are amazing. As a friend, you are amazing. As a brother, you are amazing. So overall, you are amazing personality, and definitely I will try my level best to to work with you again. Thank you so much for staying. To guide us, to show us path for the and you played a very important role in so many persons' life, because you had shown them the right way. You have shown them what exactly they need to do in terms of developing their self. Thank you so much, and we will definitely miss you. Thank you.
Over and out. Hi, Manas. That was a wonderful time I worked with you, gentlemen. Bro, I learned a lot of things from you. And I can say that you are one of the good leader. Wherever you will go, Manas, you will rock. I am sure. God bless you, man. And will the Mukhya ji, we used to say Mukhya ji. And the Manas, I will remember when we used to go twice or thrice in a day at the tea tapri for the tea, and we enjoy with the wonderful, tasty and delicious samosa, chaat and the cup of tea. And you know that one of our great team worker, Amit, he will remember you always when we will go for the tea. And because of me, because of Amit, every LSC started going at the tea tapri for tea and they enjoyed. But I can say, Manas, you are the amazing, bro. You are amazing. And whenever I will go for the tea, I will miss the taste of the tea because without you.
Hey Anas, buddy, the time has come. You're leaving us. I thought I would be the first person to leave you, but unfortunately, it's the other way around. Take care, buddy. Best of luck for your future tenure. You'll be really missed. I always looked as a good friend in you rather than a colleague. I will definitely miss all those best memories, the best times that we have spent together. Take care. Best of luck. You will be really missed. Thanks.
Hi Manas. I know you'll be watching this video. This is a real surprise for you from the team. It's very difficult to describe you as a human. I still remember, the day you had joined this company, and you met me in my office. Very quiet, very silent guy. So I just asked a question to myself: is he going to fit here in this property? But you have proved yourself. You have proved me. You have proved me as a wrong. The way you have shown the results to this company, to Kotiach Hinjwadi, is super. We all love you. The team loves you, and I still remember the way you crack the jokes, and the general knowledge you share with us. It's always awesome. Uh, I know this industry is very small, and hope we'll see each other somewhere. We're going to miss you a lot, Manas. Bye bye.
Hi Manasa. First of all, I'm feeling happy also and sad also. Happy because you're leaving and you're joining to another beautiful property. So I'm happy. But I'm feeling sad also because you're leaving us alone. So who will support us now? I'll miss you a lot. You have supported me in my personal and professional thing as well. You're the world's best boss. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hey Manas, hi. Well, unlike everyone else there, I'm very happy that you are coming here back to Dubai, and I'll be meeting you more often. It was great working with you. You're the coolest boss I have ever met. You're so calm and composed all the time. Something everyone should actually learn from you. And can't wait to see you soon. Bye.
Hi मानस सर, एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट अ सर फॉर मी, मेरे बड़े भाई की तरह ही आपने मुझे ट्रीट किया, सो हैट्स ऑफ टू यू, थैंक यू सर.
Hi, sir. So I remember I got a call from you for the interview. Like you were like, "Hi, good evening, Rohit. This is Manas from Courtyard Merit Hinjawadi." Oh, that voice of yours was so, like, I can't describe in words, but yes, of course, the way you handling the team and the way you are, it's totally different. Like I haven't seen such boss like it before. Thank you so much, sir. Hats off to you, and best of luck for your future. Thank you.
Hi, sir. First thing, you're the wonderful boss I've ever worked with. From 2014, when I first joined, I came, you were not in a good mood. Maybe something went wrong, so you just hit, I wait. Later on, we started talking. It didn't start on a good page. Later on, you understand, I understood everything. You started supporting me, where no one in department as well, no one in the hotel supported me. From the mistakes I did and to my learning phase, you supported me. You helped me from a smaller learning thing, from lounge, where should I keep this, to bigger things like handle this guest here. From a smaller responsibility to a big responsibility, you gave it to me. I've learned a one thing I know that I've learned is patience. Like, we all were like Sagar before, but later on, after working with you, we've become kind of bit Manas. I know this damage was done, but later on, you always helped us with. You've the wonderful boss, always smiling, always patient, and with a big heart. I would seriously say salute and all the best for the future. Thanks a lot.
Hi Manas, it's been a wonderful experience to be with you and just want to say best of luck for your new future and a new start and wish you all the best and I'll miss you a lot.
Hi Manasa, it was really pleasure to working with you and I still remember the day when we joined together. I was worried about the things but you really supported me in all the way and because of you I got one of the biggest award. I will never forget you and all the best for your new roles and responsibilities. I will look forward to work with you in future. Thank you so much and
We will miss you a lot.
Cut.
We wanted to thank you since a very long time. We all will definitely miss you. But I have one thing to say, as this is Courtyard by Marriott. When you started and when we started working with you, we actually realized that it is the front office department by Manas. So we have got to learn a lot of things from you. Basically, who is in front office and what does front office take care of. You've really taught each and every person in the department about the basic and how you should turn around things and make a moment of the day. We've learned a lot from you and we'll certainly miss you very much. And let's pray that we can work someday or the other once again. Thank you.
Go.
Hi Manas, myself Paddy, as you know. It's been 1 year and few more months which we have worked together. Every time I used to come up to you and tell that, sir, ये problem हो गया, and then any problem would there have been like अगर solvable है, unsolvable है, मैं frustrated हो जाता था, मैं चिल्लाते रहता था, and you are the person to calm me down and make me go through the right direction. I used to often shout on associates, other execs of other department, and used to say चिल्ला के कुछ फायदा नहीं है, time ही waste हो रहा है, so let's work on it. So it was a very fun working with you, and at the end of the day I used to calculate what I used to gain. Like मेरा ये आदत है कि जब मैं दिन खत्म होता है I used to see कि मैंने कितना सीखा है. So when I am working with you, I am literally learning a lot. मेरा percentage of growth with you was more than anything anywhere I have worked with anybody, right? So starting from playing with the cards, making a guest happy, and then making a guest sad as well, and dealing with the extreme situations where I used to give up, and we used to give up actually together, and bullshit them together in the middle of the lobby, but then used to enjoy the work. And at the end of the day, I used to find that yes, the level of quality of work which you taught me was just uncomparable. Like I can say that Manas sir is unputdownable. So that was my viewpoint towards you, and I would love really to work with you in future, and would have to have a boss like this in near future as well. Right? Thank you very much.
Hi Manas sir. I remember the first time you came in the hotel, first day on the day of joining. I only took your check-in. I remember since then, I think it was December 2013. Long time, 1.5 years, more than that actually. It's been a great journey with you. I've seen you changing the entire department, all the processes, everything. You've given it a completely new touch, a new look, a new way of working. It's been amazing. A lot of things that we learned from you. A great learning experience from you. I just don't know how to express what to say. I'm falling short of words. But like more than a boss, you were always like onto a friendly side. You would always friendly come and consult, help us, and we would be glad to consult from you. All this time, the support that you've extended from me becoming an associate towards an exec, and still give me so much of suggestions for my future, and that's been just great. The way you've closed your loops with each and every person in this hotel while you're leaving has put in a great impact. It's like being you're completing a journey with the most best possible way you could. I just wish you all the best for your future. I know you will have something great coming upstairs. All the best. Thanks.
Hello Manas. Hi. To be very honest, I won't be able to express my feelings towards you in words. Working with you was superb in terms of learning, in terms of everything. I still remember the day when you have shared your motivational video with me on the first place of Al Pacino, which I have downloaded and it's there in my mobile, which says life is all about inches and we need to fight for that inch. We heal as a team or we die as an individual. These few words have impacted my life. And yes, it's true that we are all fighting for that inch. And yes, whenever I see the video, I don't see Al Pacino, I see you motivating us. Also, as Swapnil said, that you have brought a lot of changes. Yes, in terms of processes, in terms of changing the department, few things like printers, you have brought new printers for us, you brought the scanners, you changed the look of the lounge, everything you did. Whatever you wanted, how you wanted, you have done all those things for us. Moreover, I would like to say that whosoever has walked into your cabin has not stepped out unsatisfied, because not only you have given the solution, you have showed them the way and told them what to do, how to do, and many more things. Working with you was great, and I will always look forward to work with you in near future. Thank you very much for all the support you have given me, and I'm sure the world is very small. Someday or the other we'll definitely work together. Thank you very much.
Hi Manas, bringing you across the restaurant team. This is just to tell you that you are being a very great person to us. The calmness what you have possessed, the calmness and the right attitude towards your work, the thing that we get deep down inside our line. Thanks for being us for all the time and giving us the right suggestions at right time. Wish you all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Hi Manas, I completely agree with Ravi, whatever he said. But you know Ravi, we are not only losing a manager, but a great leader in a hotel. He's a very nice person. I worked with him for 1 year, and it was a pleasure working with you. Best of luck for your future. And one more thing, all the PMs have been closed, so don't worry about it. All the best.
And also sir, to inform you, 99% of the things are already been packed. Please remember. Thank you.
Hey, hi Manas. It's been a year I've been visiting this property, the Marriott Hinjawadi, and interacting with you. I still remember you were the first person here to check me in, and most important, the most reachable person to solve all our query and address our concerns. It has been an overwhelming experience with you, interacting with you. I would like to wish you all the best for your future endeavor and the new journey to start. All the best.
Best of luck to you. While I know that your staff will miss you, please know that your guests will miss you as well. There's nothing better than to be greeted with a really warm smile when you're away from home. You've always done that for me, and I know that you do it for all your other guests as well. We will miss you for that. Good luck.
Hello, I'm Apeksha, Manas' wife. I want to share a few things with you. Manas is a very loving husband and a very responsible father, and as a person also he is very responsible and hardworking. जैसे कोई भी काम वो हाथ में लेता है तो कंप्लीट करके ही छोड़ना है ऐसे। वेट देखो, हेलो करो, हेलो हेलो हेलो। अच्छा, अद्विक को पापा क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? अद्विक इज अ बोलो 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 अद्विक इज अ गुड बॉय. अच्छा बताओ तो बताओ. देखो अंकल 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 बोलो अद्विक क्या बोलते हैं. पापा क्या बोलते हैं. बोलो अद्विक इज अ गुड बॉय. और पापा क्या बोलते हैं. पापा इज अ वेरी.
I just wanted to thank you for all your hospitality. आपने हमारा इतना अच्छा ख्याल रखा. I'm going to miss your smile. I'm going to miss your presence in the hotel. And I wish you all the good luck. और मुझे मालूम है कि आप अपने फ्यूचर में बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहोगे. कभी भी मेरी याद आए तो ज़रूर मुझे याद करना. मैं भी आपको हमेशा याद रखूँगा. तो मेरी बेस्ट विशेस आपके साथ हैं. So thank you very much. I really appreciate my time over here with you. And like everybody else, I'm going to miss you. Thank you very much.
We all miss you. Take care.
Miss you, Manas. Thank you.
We will miss you, Manas.
For sure, we'll miss you, Manas. Yo, we'll miss you, Manas.
We all are going to miss you, Manas.
We will miss you, Manas sir. We will miss you a lot.
We'll miss you, Manas. We'll miss you.
I'll miss you, Manas sir. Bye. All the best.
We'll miss you,